Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. Last week, Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius came before the Energy and Commerce Committee to talk about the fiscal year 2013 budget. Last Congress, our committee did not hold yearly budgetary hearings, so I am pleased that we have returned to these exercises. It's an essential part of our oversight function. The President's vision for a budget is not one that America can afford. Continued deficits, $47 trillion of spending over 10 years, and almost $2 trillion in new taxes. A fourth consecutive deficit exceeding $1 trillion is included in this year's budget. And as a percentage of the gross domestic product, we are well above the historic norms. In addition, implementation of the Affordable Care Act is dead ahead. There are ever-increasing insurance premiums, rules issued without notice or comment, and the failure to reform Medicare and Medicaid. Secretary Sebelius admitted the projected cost of subsidies is $111 billion more than what she estimated last year. What's even more frightening about this is that no one has received any of this money yet. It has simply gone up for unexplained reasons. So imagine what it will actually cost once the people have access. The Health and Human Service budget requests over an additional $1 billion for the implementation of this health care law. This demonstrates that plans to spend the original $1 billion in initial allocations, but now HHS does not have the money for a federal fallback exchange. Simultaneously, we are expected to ignore the premium subsidies that will cost over $30 billion more over the next 5 years and over $110 billion over 10 years. I have worked to obtain information from the Health and Human Services on the implementation of this so-called Affordable Care Act and how taxpayer dollars are being spent. It is essential that Congress conduct its oversight to ensure that no agency, no center has the ability to spend money and exercise power without the proper authorization of Congress. I will not rest in my belief in this regard, and I will continue to press Secretary Sebelius about how she is spending the billions of taxpayer dollars. Thank you for taking the time to listen. For more information about this issue and other legislative issues before the United States Congress, please visit my website, burgess.house.gov. May God bless you and your family, and as always, may God bless Texas.